It's 2:30 am now. Let's make some noodles. First, put water in a pot. When the water is hot, I will add some noodles. When noodles are cooked, I will remove them. I will mix the hot sauce in the water which noodles are cooked. Then I will add salt, add some soy sauce and some pepper. In other pan, I will take some oil. I will add 2 eggs one by one. Then I will take ginger and I will add it. I will add some spices to my noodles. Then when my stock is ready, I will pour it into the noodles.